Hey, what do you guys want to be when you grow up?
I think I want to be a dermatologist.
I want to be a pediatrician.
I'm not fully sure, but I want to be a vet.
I don't have an idea on what I want to be.
What about a manufacturing job like Fabcom?
What's Fabcom?
The structural precast panels manufacturer down the street.
You mean the one in Mahanoy City, Pennsylvania? Well, we can go down there.
Then let's go.
Let's go.
What does Fabcom do?
Like I said, it's a wall manufacturing company that makes the panels. Let's break down the steps on how they make the panels. First off, the workers measure how long the panel is going to be. Then they read a blueprint that tells the workers how they're going to design the panel.
After they know the design, they put the first set of wires, then they put the block outs and the bulkheads.
They put rebar so the panels can hold up stronger. First, they tie the rebar up to the wires. Then, the second shift people pour the concrete.
Ooh, I think I know what I want to be.
Let's ask the employees about Fabcom.
Oh hey, we were wondering if me and my friends can ask you some questions about Fabcom.
Yes.
What quality issues do you have to deal with when pouring panels?
Yeah, so we look for length issues, width issues, anything, blemishes, any kind of things that we might have to like patch or make look presentable to be able to ship to the field.
How large can a panel be?
Yeah, they're anywhere from, I even seen ones that are like 5 foot. I don't know what they're used for, but there's small ones and there's really long ones that you'll see on these trucks pulling out of here.
Why should I apply for this job?
The job itself is very easy.
So I would recommend Fabcom. Again, I think that we pay competitively in this area. The benefits are extremely well here for our employees. We are actually a union facility.
What is some advice that might help me?
Think before you do a task, before you do your job. Think before you, am I doing this right? Am I doing this wrong?
Thank you for letting us have this opportunity.
Do you know what you want to be?
Yes, I want to work at Fabcom.